guys, it's Brent here from WB Trees Consultants. A nice windy day in Raleigh. And we're talking with you guys about some of our most frequently asked questions, whether it's in training or on site. What are the most expensive repairs on a commercial property? Well, generally speaking, we'll say there's three. Depending on the size of the parking lot and the building, it's going to be the parking lot, how much it gets used, what the drainage is like, all that stuff. It's going to be the roof, it's going to be the HVAC. Those are the three most common. The fourth would be in the case that interiors are being replaced, refinished often, you're going to have some interiors, particularly with, that's a fun word, with your multifamily and your hotels. So parking lot, roof, HVAC, and sometimes interiors. Thank you.